This 61-year-old potato farmer just entered an 875-kilometer ultra-marathon, but he made a huge mistake because he didn't read the rule book, so he didn't know he was allowed to stop, which put him in serious trouble.
From then on, I never swam again.
While the professional athletes went to bed to recover, Cliff just kept moving through the darkness. But there was still one big problem, because scientists and experts agreed it was physically impossible. But on day 5, the race organizers were in a total panic, because the race was supposed to take 7 days, so nobody was even waiting at the finish line yet. But suddenly, an old man appeared in the distance. Cliff Young didn't just win the race, he destroyed the world record in 2 days.
Records are meant to be broken. All of them will doubt you, say how it cannot be done, so on and so forth. But human capacity is only limited by how they see or imagine things. Actually, ang dami nang nagsabi ng mga bagay na hindi mabibreak in time. Like for example, yung airplane, diba? Sabi nila sa Wright brothers, hindi pa mangyayari yan. It's well beyond the time. Tapos, naimbento. So now what? Kahit in other physical activities, hindi mo mabubuhat yan, hindi mo matatakbo yan, so on and so forth. So, what we can learn from this is that when we want something, yes, we are going to fail at some point, but that failure is going to point us to the right direction. Marami lang kasi sa atin na takot magkamali, takot harapin yung kahinaan nila, kaya nagtatago sila sa perfection and hindi na nila wino-work yung isang bagay until such dumating yung perfect time. Well, this is Pinoy Extreme. Have a good day.
This is Pinoy Extreme.